Here's how you can make a business very easily. When you see something viral on cooking channels, on baking videos, on anything, Markiplier, doesn't matter. You take that idea and you think, how can I affordably do this business as soon as possible? Okay, I want to do a food truck. Well, I can't do a food truck because it's so expensive, and because I don't trust anybody to sell me that food truck for $2,000 or whatever dollars and actually give me something that is going to work. What else can I buy? Oh yeah, I can get a food cart and I'll start my prep around that. It can be anything viral. It can be any video that's using cheap ingredients for a very hit niche. I can't give an example because it ruins my business, and I don't want people popping up around where I live. So what I just said should be good enough. The key is to wait and watch for viral stuff to appear in your feed.